So students, now we would be coming to the revision of the next lesson, that is the little girl from your book Beehive. Open your books and come to page number 32. In the story, there was a little girl named Kezia. This story is of a young girl whose name was Kezia, and she is the main character in the story. She used to live along with her mother, grandmother, father, and she was a little girl who was too much scared from her father. When the father used to come in front of her, she used to fumble in front of him, and she was not confident. She used to think that her father is too strict, and he desires that every time the father comes, the mother wants that she should help father in order to get over with the things, in order to arrange the things, and she used to be very much scared because the father never spoke with her too much, not played with her. So there was a sense of fearness in her mind for her father. Kezia nurses her father. Whenever the father used to go to the office, father used to come to her bedroom, kissed on her forehead and bid her goodbye. She just used to say one single word, "Goodbye, father." And when the father used to return back from the office, her mother asked her that she should help her father in taking out his shoes and taking care of the father, bring him water, a glass of water, and nurse the father in different ways, helping of the father. Crisis in the family. What happened? When she was small, at that time her relation was not good with father, and her grandmother said that, "Let me give you one idea. Your father's birthday is approaching, so why don't you make a pincushion for your father?" And from here this crisis came. So Kezia just started collecting material from the house, and she started making the pincushion. The three sides of the pincushion was made. The last side was still left. Now Kezia thought that what to do? Last side is left, how would I fill it? So Kezia just went to her mother's bedroom, and what did she do? She took out some of the papers that were kept on the table, she torn it into small pieces and filled the last side of the pincushion. But what happened? She was unknown that the papers that she has torn into small pieces and throw it away, it was a very important speech of her father that he was going to deliver on the port authority. So father came. Father said that, "Where my papers are gone? I have been preparing it for so long. I have to deliver the speech. Where the papers are?" Everyone started searching it in the house. But what happened? That Kezia has torn it into small pieces and filled it in the pincushion. So father got very annoyed and angry with her. Father took a ruler and beat Kezia on her hand on it because of this reason. So Kezia felt very disheartened that why my father is like that. Kezia went to the grandmother and said, "Grandmother, are all fathers like that only? Why my father is like that?" So let's see now what happens. The McDonald old family. When Kezia was going with so many thoughts that her father don't love her, grandmother was telling that, "No, your father is a kind-hearted person, but the way of expressing the love is different. He does not say any word, but he loves you a lot." But Kezia was not believing it. One fine day, Kezia was standing at the end of the house. His neighbor, McDonald, was there, and they were their old neighbors. He was playing with his 5 children. The 5 children were very happy. They were playing merrily over there. Kezia saw the father, the McDonald, with the children. She thought that all fathers are not same. My father is like that only. My father don't love me. He never plays with me. He don't give me time. But see, Mr. McDonald, he loves his children. He plays with them, and how lovely their life is. Seeing this act, Kezia again became too upset. The visit of a nightmare. Kezia often gets a nightmare and she started screaming in the night. But what happened, one fine day, her mother was not well. She was admitted to a hospital and along with her, her grandmother has also gone. Kezia was left all alone in the house with the cook Alice, and the cook was there with her all day. All day was very fine, but what actually happened in the night, the cook made her sleep in her bedroom and she went off. Then Kezia was sleeping all alone. Again that bad nightmare visited her and she started screaming in the night. But now no one was there in the house except her father. Kezia thought that her father will come and help her. Kezia was screaming. The father came and stand beside Kezia. Father took her in her arms and take her to her bedroom. The whole night father pampered Kezia. She made her sleep, she made her comfortable, he just made do her everything so that she feels comfortable and do not get disturbed because her mother and grandmother were not there. This incident of the visit of nightmare made Kezia realize that her father is a kind-hearted person. He is not so bad as Kezia thought of her. So in this story it has been shown that although parents think different ways of teaching us, but somewhere down the line parents do worry for us. They do think that parents would be taking care of us. So that has been shown over there that Kezia also believed that now her father is a good hearted person, although the way of expressing the love is different. Now let us see the questions, some of the internal questions. How did Kezia feel and think about her father? Come to page number 33 of your book, paragraph number 3. How did Kezia feel and think about her father? Page 33, paragraph number 3. The first line of the paragraph, she never sluttered with other people, had quite given it up, but only with father, because she was trying so hard to say the words properly. Now in this paragraph we come to know that Kezia feels fear in front of her father. She used to slutter in front of her father while speaking any sentence. So this shows her fear. Question number 2. What did Kezia discover into her mother's bedroom on the bed table and do thereafter? Now the question asks you, come to page number 34, paragraph number 5. The question asks that what did Kezia discover? She found at her mother's bedroom on the bed table, that is near the bed, a small table is there, and when she found that, what did she do thereafter? So come to paragraph number 5 on page number 34. On the bed table, line number 5, she discovered a great many sheets of fine paper, gathered them up, tore them into tiny pieces and stuffed her case and sewed up the fourth side. Now she found some pieces, she tore them into small pieces, and what did she do? She just made a small part filled of it, the fourth part. Let us begin with the important question of your chapter 3 only, the little girl. What was Kezia's father's routine before he was going to his office? So over here we are discussing about her father's routine before he used to go to the office. Before going to his office, Kezia's father usually went into her room to give her a casual kiss. So before the father used to go to the office, he used to go to her daughter's room and kiss her on her forehead. After coming back from his office, so what was the routine? that father used to follow after he used to come back from the office. After coming back from his office, he ordered for tea to bring into the drawing room. He also asked his mother to bring him the newspaper and his slippers, and Kezia to pull off his boots. Now when father used to come back from the office, he asked that do me one favor, give me a cup of tea. Apart from that, do one thing, you will have to give me newspapers, slippers, and Kezia will have to pull the boots out of his father's feet. On Sundays, so what was the routine of the father on Sunday? On Sunday, Kezia's father would stretch out on the sofa. He used to relax over there in the sofa. He would cover his face with his handkerchief, put his feet on one of the cushions and sleep soundly. Now while he was relaxing on the sofa, what he used to do? He would cover his face with the handkerchief. Apart from that, he will put his feet on the cushion and sleep soundly over there. So this was the routine that Kezia's father used to follow. Let us see another important question. Kezia's efforts to please her father resulted in displeasing him very much. How did this happen? Now Kezia's effort was that she wanted to please her father, but something happened bad and the father became annoyed. So let us see that. Kezia wanted to please her father, that means making happy her father by gifting him a pin cushion on his birthday. Kezia's grandmother has told her that you are required, you could make a pin cushion for your father on the occasion of his birthday. Laboriously, she made the pin cushion. She worked very hard, she made the pin